Hello, in this video I want to show you all beep codes meaning on ASRock motherboard. To do this, first short beep. If you hear it, that means you have a memory refresh timer error. If you hear two short beeps, that's the parity error. If you hear three short beeps, that means main memory read/write test error. If you hear four beeps, that's a system timer failure. If you hear five beeps, that's a process error. If you hear six short beeps, that's a keyboard controller BAT test error. If you hear seven short beeps, that's general exception error. If you hear 8 short beeps, that's a display memory error. If you hear 9 short beeps, that's a ROM BIOS checksum error. If you hear 10 short beeps, that's CMOS shutdown read-write error. If you hear 11 short beeps, that's cache memory bad error. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.